Hey, what's up, everybody? Yo, today's a big day. I got a big purchase that just came in. I know it's kind of like early right now. My hair is messed up and shit like that, but I'm definitely was excited to show y'all what I just got. So, big addition that's about to change the complete look of the Corvette. ZR1 spoiler. I mean, I could have went with like the low one, but I wanted to go crazy. One of my shit to stand out, so I got the big one, the big ZR1 spoiler. All this hardware right here. Big ass box of hardware, but got 4 big separate pieces. We got the wing itself, the 2 end pieces, and then a piece that goes to the bottom of the Corvette with the pre-cut holes and everything. And then also, some people not realize, but like it actually makes the real tail light, like the top one, it makes it smaller. Like if I show you, the other one we got out there is way longer. Look at it, yo, I'm super excited for this, man. I can't wait to get this shit put on. Yes, the Z is still down, but should be back soon. You can see, got it like kinda lined up with it. But look at the difference. Look at how big this taillight is compared to the one that's about to be here now. Like, I don't know, I kind of really like the clear tail. Like, I'm not the biggest fan of the red because eventually I'm gonna do these clear too. So I'm gonna have to try to figure out how to get this to be clear. But big difference, yo, big difference. Here we are at blackout window tints. About to get the wing put on for the vet. There's some of the other cars got sitting outside. Blackout windows tint. Clean ass bills. Just got the finished product, blackout window tints. Almost finished. I gotta put the side ends on and it'll look good. What's good, everybody? I'm here with the finished product. Y'all get to look at it right now. This video, stay tuned. I got some more content coming you guys' way. Like and subscribe, and then comment down below what you guys think. Let me know. Peace.